Tjalling Charles Koopmans was a Dutch-American mathematician and economist, the joint winner with Leonid Kantorovich of the 1975 Nobel Memorial Prize in Economic Sciences. Biography. Koopmans was born in Graveland, North Holland. He began his university education at the Utrecht University at 17, specializing in mathematics. 3 years later, in 1930, he switched to theoretical physics. In 1933, he met Jan Tinbergen, the 1969 Bank of Sweden Prize winner, and moved to Amsterdam to study mathematical economics under him. In addition to mathematical economics, Koopmans extended his explorations to econometrics and statistics. In 1936, he graduated from Leiden University with a PhD. The title of the thesis was Linear Regression Analysis of Economic Time Series. Koopmans moved to the United States in 1940. He worked for a while for a government body in Washington, D.C., where he published on the economics of transportation, focusing on optimal routing. Then moved to Chicago, where he joined a research body, Charles Commission for Research in Economics, affiliated with the University of Chicago. In 1946, he became a naturalized citizen of the United States, and in 1948, director of the Charles Commission. Also in 1948, he was elected as a Fellow of the American Statistical Association. Rising hostile opposition to the Charles Commission by the Department of Economics at University of Chicago during the 1950s led Koopmans to convince the Charles family to move it to Yale University in 1955. He continued to publish on the economics of optimal growth and activity analysis. Koopmans' early works on the Hartree-Fock theory are associated with the Koopmans theorem, which is very well known in quantum chemistry. Koopmans was awarded his Nobel Memorial Prize for his contributions to the field of resource allocation, specifically the theory of optimal use of resources. The work for which the prize was awarded focused on activity analysis, the study of interactions between the inputs and outputs of production, and the relationship to economic efficiency and prices. Finally, the importance of the article by Koopmans deriving the distribution of the serial correlation coefficient was recognized by John von Neumann, and it later influenced the optimal tests for a unit route by John Dennis Argand and Alok Bhargava. Selected works. Koopmans, Tjalling C. Serial correlation and quadratic forms in normal variables. Annals of Mathematical Statistics. Institute of Mathematical Statistics. 13, 14-33. DOR 10.1214 AOMS 1,177,731,639. JSDOR 2,236,158. Koopmans, Tjalling C. Montiers J.M. On the Description and Comparison of Economic Systems. Cowles Foundation Paper No. 357. Koopmans, Tjalling C. Nobel Memorial Lecture. Concepts of Optimality and the Uses. Koopmans, Tjalling C. Debrew, Gerard. Additively Decomposed Quasi-Convex Functions. Mathematical Programming. Springer, 24, 1-38. DOR 10.1007 BF 01585092.